Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. This is chapter number 8, Exploring Geometrical Figures, part 2 of class 8. In the previous video students, we have discussed till 4th question of exercise 8.1. Today we are going to start the 5th question. Let us see the question in the textbook. Open the textbook students. Now see the 5th question. Draw a polygon on a square dot sheet. Also draw its congruent figures in different directions and mirror image of it. So what you have to do here, you have to draw a polygon on a square dot sheet and also its congruent figures we have to draw. So what we have to do students, here we have to draw a polygon on a square dot sheet. First you have to take a dot sheet and then draw a polygon, and also we have to draw the congruent figures. Let us draw the polygon. Here I am taking a square dot sheet on the board. Here I itself has drawn the square dot sheet, and now you have to draw the polygon. So let us draw the polygon like this. Here I have joined the dots one after the other, then we have got a polygon students. Like this you have to draw the polygon, and also the congruent figure of it is beside. So join the points from dot 1 to dot 2 like this as I am going. So join them and you will get a polygon. Next, see the 6th question students. Using a square dot sheet or a graph sheet, draw a rectangle and construct a similar figure. Find the perimeter and areas of both and compare their ratios with the ratio of corresponding sides. Here we have to find the perimeter and areas of both rectangles. First you need to draw the two rectangles on a dot sheet of different length and breadth, then find the area. Let us draw the rectangle like this on a square dot sheet. Here I am drawing two rectangles. So see how we are drawing by joining the points. See here students, first rectangle we are taking by joining 4 points as length 3 and breadth 2. Observe in the figure, length is 3 and breadth is 2, while length next in the second rectangle we are taking length 2 and breadth 1. Here in the first the length is 3 and breadth is 2, and in the second length is 2 and breadth is 1. Now I am labeling these rectangles as ABCD and PQRS. Let us find the solution. So what is there students? For rectangle ABCD, length is 3 and breadth is 2. Here rectangle ABCD, area we know length into breadth, that is equals to 3 into 2 is equals to 6. Now what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter. So let us find the perimeter is equals to 2 into L plus B, that 2 into 3 plus 2. Substitute length and breadth here. Length is 3 and breadth is 2. So write 2 into 3 plus 2 is equals to 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. Hence the perimeter is 10 and area is 6. Next see rectangle PQRS. For rectangle PQRS we have taken length 2 and breadth 1. Length 2 and breadth 1. Let us find the area. What is the formula students? Area, it is length into breadth. So take length 2 into 1 equals to 2. Now find the perimeter, 2 into L plus B. L is 2, B is 1, 2 plus 1 equals to 3. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. Here we got the perimeter 6 and area 2. Now these two are rectangle. Now we have to compare the area of these two rectangles. So area of rectangle ABCD is to area of rectangle PQRS. This is the ratio that is for comparing. So what is the area of rectangle ABCD, students? It is 6 is to area of rectangle PQRS is 2. So here I am cancelling 2 ones and 2 threes. 2 ones are 2 threes. So it is giving rise to 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Area of rectangle ABCD is to area of rectangle PQRS ratio is 3 is to 1. Now compare the perimeter of rectangle ABCD is to perimeter of rectangle PQRS. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD is 10 is to perimeter of rectangle PQRS is 6. Now cancel them. 2 5s and 2 3s. It is giving rise to 5 is to 3. 2 5s, 2 3s are giving rise to 5 is to 3, students. Next we have to compare the sides also. That's why I am comparing length and breadth. That is L1 is to L2 is equals to 3 is to 2. Length of rectangle ABCD is to length of rectangle PQRS giving rise to 3 is to 2. Three is to 2. Next we have to compare the breadth also, students. So let us consider the breadth. B1 is to B2. This B1 is of rectangle ABCD and B2 is of rectangle PQRS. So it is 2 is to 1. Like this we have to compare the area, perimeter, length and breadth of rectangles. This is the solution of 6th one of exercise 8.1, students. Let us see the 7th question. 7 pillars are used to hold a slant iron girder as shown in the figure. So here pillars are given. 2 pillars, 1 meter distance is there and height of last pillar is 10.5 and find the height of rest of the pillars. So see here, students, the distance between 2 pillars is given 1 meter and height of last pillar is given 10.5 meter. In this I will say you 1, you have to do the remaining. So height of first pillar H1 is equals to 1/7 into 10.5. It is same as finding the angle, students. First we are taking 1/7 into 10.5. So 1 first pillar by 7 total pillars into 10.5. So 1 into 10.5 is 10.5 by 7. If we cancel it, we will get 7 ones and 7 1.5. Nothing but height is here H1 1.5. So let us see, 1 into 10.5 is 10.5 by 7. 7 ones are 7 1.5s are. It is height is 1.5, students. 1.5. This is the height of first pillar. Next remaining also you have to do as 2/7 into 10.5, 3/7 into 10.5 respectively. Your today's homework is, students, 7th one remaining, 8th one and 9th one. Today's section is over, students. Do the homework and send it in the group.